What good is the fanciest CRM if it doesn't have any of your data in it? That's why one of the first things we have to do is help you import your data. Fortunately, we've got some slick tools that can help, so let's check it out. So there's one option that's great if you're trying to import your accounts, contacts, or leads into Salesforce. Just go to the Account, Contact, or Leads tab, and you'll see an Import button. And there you'll be presented with two choices. You can either connect Salesforce to your Gmail or Outlook account and sync your data directly from there, which is really nice, or you can import your data from a spreadsheet. Now, if you choose the spreadsheet route, you'll either need to provide your own CSV file, or if you just want to try things out, you can use the sample file we have provided instead. Either way, select the file you want to use and hit Next. Now, the wizard looks at your spreadsheet and then looks at what you named each of your columns and tries to figure out which fields to map that data to in Salesforce. You can review the mapping and make changes to it if you like. Now, if you're just trying to import basic fields like first name, last name, phone number, things like that, don't worry about it. Salesforce just has those fields for you out of the box. But if you have something more unique, something more custom to your business, that's when I'd recommend creating a custom field in Salesforce first. So you can create that field in Salesforce to store that data, and then it'll be ready for you so that when you go to load and import your spreadsheet, you have a place to map that data into, so that data has a home in Salesforce, if you will. All right, so you review the mapping, and when you're ready, hit Next. Give it a second to finish, and you're all done. So that's what I recommend for accounts, contacts, and leads. But if you're importing anything else into Salesforce, like support cases or opportunities, I suggest using dataloader.io. It's a freemium web-based tool that has some really nice advanced data loading features built into it. Just go to dataloader.io, click to log in with Salesforce, and once you're there, you can find more specific videos on how to use the tool. And if you feel like you could still use a little bit more help, head on over to Trailhead, where we have more resources that'll help you import and export your data.